Good afternoon. My name is Jack Hunter, and I am the Acting Senior Director of the Aerospace and the Natural Science Academy of Toledo. And this is a great day for all of the students in Northwest Ohio. We have an amazing partnership that we are bringing to you for all the learners in Northwest Ohio. I'm really excited to announce that the Aerospace and Natural Science Academy of Toledo has partnered with Delta Airlines Tech Op program. This will allow our students amazing opportunities and allow our students to learn from one of the major airline partners in the United States of America. It's a great day for all the students in Toledo Public Schools, as well as all the students in the surrounding Northwest Ohio area. I'm really excited. And at this time, I would like to introduce the Director of Delta Tech Ops, Mr. William Smith from Delta.
So good afternoon, everybody. It's absolutely our honor and our pleasure to be here. One of the privileges I have in my current role is to talk to schools such as yourself on behalf of Delta Airlines. And when I look at that and I say, how did a kid from small town West Virginia with a high school education get in a position where I would be representing Delta Airlines at one of these things? All I can tell you is the foundations for that were laid in an institution just like yours. You're an institution that allowed children to learn not just with their heads, but with their hands. It opened up a world of opportunities for me and all my other fellow Delta coworkers. Your timing could not be better. There is a tremendous need in the industry. We have a very experienced, very senior workforce that is starting to enjoy their retirement. And there's a real need to replenish the aircraft maintenance technicians, not just at Delta Airlines, but across the industry. If you look at the recent statistics, the demand is over the next 20 years will be somewhere between 500,000 and 1 million technicians in aviation. If you look at the current output of schools nationally in the United States, we're probably only at about 65% of meeting that demand. So there's a real need for what you're doing. It's an amazing career. We love to partner with quality institutions just like yours. And what we'll get is our future. What will we get? What we all get? Well, what you're going to get from us is we'll absolutely help you with modern tooling, modern techniques, modern processes, parts. We'll help you design your curriculum with the latest and greatest in technology. We'll also help you grow your staff and your instructors. Virtually any class we teach will be open to your staff. And ultimately, where the partnership will end, or the next step, is when one of your graduates and one of our leaders gets together and we take this educational process and turn it into an entry into work, real family sustaining wages and real career opportunities are built in institutions just like yours. And so on behalf of Delta Airlines, we just couldn't be any happier.
That's wonderful, Mr. Smith. Thank you very much. We are really excited. And with that being said, I'd like to introduce the superintendent, the CEO of Toledo Public Schools, Dr. Romulus Durrance.
Again, thank you to Mr. Hunter, the director of this local the school, as well as Mr. Williams Smith, the director of Delta Ops, in regards to this partnership. People, this is an exciting time. As you see, as superintendent as well as the district, we have been moving with the momentum of Macumber 2020. Meaning, end of the day, what does education look like within today's industry, and how we continue to work together to make education as well as workforce development all seen as one. Today is another example of TPS being innovative and bringing partnership to the city of Toledo. Understand, in essence, that they're not only providing maintenance, engineering support for not only their Delta fleet, but over 150 aviation airlines across the world. They are staffing and support and providing maintenance as well as other technical support in the airline industry. They have employed well over thousands of individuals throughout the world in major airlines, but at the same time, understand the opportunity our students in the community in Northwest Ohio receive. Only one other city, school district in the country has a partnership with Delta Tech Op, and that is in the city of New York City, meaning at the end of the day, New York City being one of the largest logistic and transportation hub in the world, we are now competing in regard to that space. We are now partnering with Delta Airlines, and that's of getting our students involved in the industry, but more importantly, bringing a greater attraction to the Toledo Airport. People, industry come to location, they could build capacity. The capacity are what's in this wall. That the students are going to be trained, are going to provide opportunity and job workforce readiness that bring industry to the location, whether it's logistics or it's even tourists and travel. We are excited about this partnership because not only are they providing training, but at the same time, PD for our staff, help build out our curriculum. And at the same time, more importantly, they're providing job opportunities for our students. When we say college and career ready, that means institutions such as this, within TPS, providing opportunity through collaboration because an internship has a high probability of employment. And that is what this brings about. At the same time, they're going to send their mechanics here to give one-on-one as well as showing for our students, meaning individuals who are within the industry will be showing up to this campus to really engage with our students, build relationships with our staff and students that ultimately lead to internships and job opportunities. We are excited about this readiness in regard to what we're doing and continue to move forward. But at the same time, we're going to continue to push the envelope and provide partnerships in the city of Toledo. Because at the end of the day, we want to educate you here so you can work here that ultimately allows you to live here. That's what economic strategies and revitalization happens, and education is a key part of that. We're going to continue to do our part. We're going to continue to partnership, but more importantly, we're going to continue to prepare our students for college and career. And today is an exciting time that proves just that. So again, thanks to all our partners who are involved in this, the school officials who have put a lot of legwork in developing memorandums of understanding and all the things that need to happen within this, and then the staff in regard to really pushing forward and pushing our students to the highest level. So with that said, the most important person of tonight is going to be one of our very own students. He's a junior here. His name is Logan Neidick, and he's currently working on his A&P, which is airframe and power plant. Again, like I tell people, there's doctors out there, but in this school, we produce rocket scientists. And at the end of the day, here's one of our rocket scientists, Mr. Neidick. Come on up.
Hello, my name is Logan Neidick. I am a junior here at the Aerospace and Natural Science Academy of Toledo. This partnership means a lot to me and my fellow students because this partnership is going to provide us with cutting-edge access to curriculum and resources to help improve our school. This partnership is making me work harder than I ever have before, knowing the opportunity I have to work for Delta Airlines, one of the best airline companies in the world. I'd like to thank Dr. Durant, Mr. Hunter, Mr. Naves, and Delta Airlines for providing us this amazing partnership. Thank you.
Great job, Logan. He is truly an amazing learner here at the Aerospace and Natural Science Academy. Next, I'd like to introduce our TPS Board of Education President, Ms. Chris Farwick.
Good afternoon. As president of the Board of Education and on behalf of the board, I'd like to extend my gratitude to Delta Tech Ops for partnering with Toledo Public Schools and our Aerospace Aviation School. Welcome to the TPS proud family. As the largest airline maintenance, repair, and overhaul provider in Northwest Ohio, which in turn shows, we appreciate you investing in your company's future here in Northwest Ohio, which in turn shows an investment in our students, our school district, and public education. Your choice to work directly with our aviation students tells me that others who have associated with the aviation field are taking notice of our program. And that is exciting to me as a board member and a lifelong Toledoan. As this partnership continues to move forward, I see the opportunities growing for our current students and those who will attend ANSAT in the future. This is just the beginning. Again, thank you, Delta Tech Ops, for this wonderful investment in our community.
I would also like to thank Mr. Tim Pierce, who from Delta Tech Ops has been instrumental in helping us get this partnership rolling. Without his support, and for all the learners in Northwest Ohio, all the families in Northwest Ohio, this school is for you. This partnership is for you. We have amazing educators and staff that are eager to work with your learners who have any interest in the aviation industry. Truly, being a part of the TPS Proud family opens up a world of opportunities, such as partnering with Delta Airlines. We do have a few limited seats available within our aviation program, and we would love to have your applications through tps.org. Overall, Delta, thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. I know we will produce phenomenal A&P mechanics for you, and I look forward to developing this partnership more and more in the future. Mr. Smith and Mr. Pierce from Delta, thank you very much for taking the time to share this wonderful opportunity with us. Thank you.
Don't forget to show up to the Aviation Expo Saturday and Sunday, 9 to 4:30. Best place to get your child signed up. Look to see you there.
Now, before we leave,